Good day everyone, back with another video. For those who don't know me, I'm Vic and I'm a user experience designer. So today I'll be using an iPad Pro, which was a gift from my wife, and use Concepts app to do some wireframes of Netflix. Alright. So for this video, I'd like to create screens from user login up to the usage of an existing profile in Netflix. So I kind of like reverse engineering the Netflix screens to do or to build the sketches. My goal here is to just show you where this iPad could probably fit on our UX process. So let's get into the iPad now. Alright, so first screen that I'm going to design is this loading screen, or what we call splash screen of Netflix. There's some nice animation there. So anyway, so what I'm doing here is a box, and I'm going to put an X mark there to indicate that it is just an image there, or just a logo. Good thing about Concepts app is that it has pre-made shapes that I can use for my wireframe elements. Next screen is this onboarding screens. So first of this onboarding screens is the watch on any device. So I'm gonna add the image there. Basically, I can copy and paste it. The box there from the first screen, but yeah, I'm just gonna do it next time on the next screen. So it's a bit slow here, but yeah, I'm just trying to get a good grasp of using it. And in here, I prefer to just use the handwritten Netflix logo instead of just add the text in there, just so it feels like more of a wireframe, just a rough sketch. Here comes the help button there. As you can see, guys, I actually have bad penmanship, so having this iPad Pro, Apple Pencil, and this Concepts app really helped me, because I can easily erase things up and fix my mistakes, or fix any visual errors. Alright, some placeholder text here. Alright, I can also adjust the thickness of my pen or my strokes. I actually had a difficult time figuring out how to use the select tool, but once you understand how to use it, it is really easy. It really helps a lot in terms of, yeah, just like what I'm doing right now. I'm going to copy and paste this Netflix and help create a additional screen for the second screen of this onboarding screens. So this one is the download and go. Just gonna copy and paste this logo, or sorry, the image. Oops, I missed one line there, so just gonna create it here. Sorry for bad penmanship. Just gonna create another screen here. For that, let me just adjust some things for the screen indicator or the page indicator there. All right, copy and paste. Right, screen 4, no pesky contracts. Okay. All right, and done. Okay. Right now, I'm just gonna browse some icons so that I can get something that really fits on each screen for the onboarding screens there. So first is I'm going to use this airplane icon for the watch on any devices. Okay. All right. Oops, something is wrong. Guess I'll just delete this one and add a new one from the import panel. Right. Just like that. Okay, for download and on the go, I'm just gonna look for maybe a gadget or a tablet. Okay, select this one and delete. Alright, resize this one and yeah, right. For no pesky contracts, I might just look for a document here. Okay. Right, where is it? The document. Also, when you are doing or creating wireframes, just keep in mind that it doesn't have to be perfect. You just need to be able to express your ideas. So I'm just adding some like lines there just to indicate that there is a background image, but I'm not sure if it really looks good in there. So maybe I'll just delete that one. Sorry, the lines there. So alright, so next screen I'm going to design is for the sign-in screen, wherein there is the email field, password, and sign-in button. Okay, so I'm just gonna add here the go back button, and yeah. Done with the login screen, and I'm going to duplicate this wireframe and create the next one, which is the login state. After you log in, you're going to select a specific user or profile. So if you already have existing users there, it's gonna show up there, and you have the add profile button to add a new one. And I believe Netflix limits it to 5 profiles, so you can share your accounts to 5 people. Alright, drag and drop the elements there and do some things to make sure that it looks as close as possible as what we have on the actual screen. Alright, and let's add some placeholder names. And of course, the add button, the add profile name. Let's grab the circle and right. Add profile. And of course, this help button needs to be changed from help to edit, since its purpose is for you to edit the existing profiles. Probably you can edit their names and also delete. Right, let's duplicate another screen and create the wireframe for the landing page or the home page for for Netflix once you are logged in. So I will also use Bandersnatch as the main cover or the main featured film. Okay, and also I think I'd like to have a bit of changes there. Right, added some dividers there and grabbed a box for me to fill a solid color, maybe gray, dark gray. You can use it for this one, and add an X mark to show or to indicate that it is a placeholder image, or we're going to use an image for that one, for that specific area. Let's put the title on and placeholder text. Once again, sorry for my bad penmanship. And I'm gonna grab this triangle to design this play button. Okay, and yeah, almost there. Okay, we're almost done. So I'm gonna add here the my list. All right, so that's all the screens. What I'm doing now is a screen flow. So it's just I'm going to add arrows and some information of what's going to happen. For example, for this one, so this is the Netflix logo reveal, and then maybe after 3 seconds it's going to redirect the user to the onboarding screen. So this is where you can actually add those specific rules, specifications for the developers, and then, or maybe for your product owner or stakeholders, for you to explain your wireframes better. All right. So for this one, and what I'm gonna put is swipe left interaction, and it's going to take you to the next onboarding screen. So let me just add that here. It should work the same for this one. So swipe left to show the next screen as well. So I'm just gonna put there swipe left because I already added that specific requirements from the first one. So I reckon that should be alright. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just to copy and paste the swipe left to the next one because it's basically the same functionality. So right, copy and paste. Awesome. Alright, so I'm going to add more details for this one. I just think that doing this way makes it clearer for your developers, for the product owners, and for the stakeholders to understand what is your idea about. Right. So sign in button, you're basically going to do the same functionality. So just going to connect all of them. Right. So all sign-in buttons is going to take me to the sign-in page, right? And this one will take me back to the previous screen. After you tap on on an existing profile, it's going to go to the Netflix account homepage, wherein it's going to show you your featured movie based on what you want or what you preferred. And yeah, here's your list of films that you the films that you added on your list. It is actually difficult to use iPad Pro for high fidelity prototypes and interfaces. But for this kind of stage, it is definitely useful for doing quick sketch for ideas. Right. It took me some time to adjust on how to use this iPad and the app for wireframing, but I feel that this is something that will be included on my whole design process. So yeah, I think that is everything. And if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up icon and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you guys, and yeah, have a great day.